Welcome back to my channel, where sometimes I do cosplay. Maddie Tax. Good girl. So today I am getting dressed up for my Spooky Saturday stream, and I am turning into Sweeney Todd. Though I actually prefer the musical so much better than the movie, because
the movie was just like, there was a lot of speak singing and just a lot of like, I'm Sweeney Todd, I'm Mrs. Muppet, and it wasn't really a whole lot of, rounding out the characters.
it cut off whenever I was ranting about the Sweeney Todd movie. Thanks, camera. But the thing is, the movie Sweeney Todd is a lot more elaborate and recognizable than the Broadway version. So I decided to go with the movie look of Sweeney Todd. Just know in my heart that I am singing the musical from the original Broadway cast, because they were wonderful. Maddie! So first off, I'm going to be using this concealer by e.l.f. It is the 16-hour camo concealer, and of course it's in the lightest shade possible. And I'm going to be just whitening up my face a little bit, because Sweeney is a pale boy. So we're going for a pale, I never really get out in the sun kind of look. If you see any techniques that are a little bit questionable in here, such as what I'm about to do, which is just whiten up my face with concealer using my hands because I couldn't find my beauty blender, then, don't worry about it. I should probably put my hair back. Hold on. Okay, I think that's sufficiently pale. And here's the part I'm gonna hate. Tight lining. Oh no. I cannot stand tight lining. I used to do it all the time whenever I was a teenager. Oh no, mess up. I feel very emo and gothic and all of the things that Sweeney Todd is. I feel. Oh, my eyes are watering up. Oh no. City on fire, I make up on fire. That didn't really work, but it's fine. I've accepted it. Let's all just move on. Like Sweeney couldn't. My camera died while I was doing this eye, so this is what you missed. For Sweeney's lipstick, I'm actually going to be using concealer again because his lips are very pale. This is weird. Oh, we're gonna have to adjust this. This is not right. Hold on. And now I'm going to get into my costume. So, as I was saying, a couple of items I have found right here at home. I have a long-sleeved white button-up shirt that's actually Brendan's, and then I have this sleeveless button-up vest. And then I have this wig. It's a wig that I got off of Amazon for like $10, and so I'm not sure how it's gonna look, so we're just gonna see. We're just gonna see. Anyway, I'm gonna go get changed, and then I'll see you guys soon. Speak to me, friend. Whisper, I'll listen. I know you've been locked out of sight all these years. So yes, this is my Sweeney Todd cosplay. I feel dangerous. I feel cool. I should probably put this down because I'm kind of a clumsy person, so I'm gonna do that. I think this is one of my favorite cosplays so far because I feel like it's pretty accurate. The only thing that I changed is the wig because this is not where it's at. It's terrible. Don't recommend. If you like this video, please give it a like, and if you would like to subscribe if you want. And I will see you guys next time.